Hi guys, I'm Lesson Taram Luxury. I see the topic is the introduction to accounting standards that I see. Generally accepted accounting principles GAAP have a common set of accepted accounting principles, standards and procedures many business reporting entity amana follow tawgadabani. Financial statement present tawba amasung prepare tawba matamda. GAAP General Accepted Accounting Principles have the authoritative standards mayam punchalaga sembani policy boards singna aduga commonly accepted ways of recording and reporting accounting information international level that is such authoritative standards sing asi IFRS International Financial Reporting Standards haina khangnei India ki oina authoritative standards say AS accounting standards aduga Indian accounting standards INDAS haina lay accounting standards AS asi written policy documents amani government na issue tawba atopa regulatory bodies singa loinana example Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA na issuing accounting standards for corporates in consultation with NFRA National Financial Reporting Authority accounting transaction or events process the financial statements yauna sembagi recognition measurement presentation and disclosure asigumba standards sembagi bodies mayam ama semgatpagi maram se matam chana useful of financial information kaya ama yobungami investors sing amasung other stakeholders sing dasu company singi economic performance ta hengat alai accounting standards Laibasina accounting alternatives handali Haidi financial statements ama preparation tawada manadaba enterprises kaya ki financial statements sembada comparable ohingani amasung achumba puthokpa nungahengani accounting alternatives habati lam amagi or different methods sing seasonarpa aduni yamna broad oiba termni different frameworks ta oiba yai accounting methods ta oiba yai companies amana IFRS or GAAP standards choose to yai frameworks kudimak different rules laigani aduga financial data present tawda tongan baduni accounting standards se makhal khar lay recognition of events and transactions in the financial statements measurement of these transactions and events presentation of these transactions and events in the financial statements in a manner meaningful oiba amasung line khangba ngamba oigadabani readersing the disclosure relating to the transactions and events to enable the public at large and the stakeholders and the potential investors in particular to get an insight into what these financial statements are trying to reflect and thereby facilitating them to take prudent and informed business transaction decisions. Maki benefits sukar khangsi accounting standards ki standardization of alternative accounting treatments confusion reduce the whole financial report sembada company khudimak chap manaba method tawragati machine financial information adu clean oina amasung line understand tawli example oina company singna inventory cost calculate tawagi different ways laijai like FIFO first in first out or weighted average accounting standards ki matung ina business amana clearly mention tawgadawni karamba method seasonai habadu number 2 the requirements for additional disclosure some financial details currently legally required oidrasu accounting standard na yangmakai financial position make sengna khanghan nabahotnei number 3 the comparability of financial statements accounting standard na financial statement compare tawadasu help tawi within a company and between companies high the financial report chahi gi compare tawuna growth track tawangami amasung decision lobunu hali mathang dana company amana company amaga some industry the investor amasung lender singna karamba me sell thadagani haba khangba lahali unfair practice singdagi prevent tawba ngamali haidi accounting standard na kamaina record tawgani habagi rules amasung law ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯅ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯇꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔꯠ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯎꯏ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 1 2 ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ